Alright guys, you can take these sensors off with a pair of vice grips. Watch how easy they turn. That's off. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Alright, so I'm going to take it off. Get my vice grips back. Let's keep turning it. It's hard to get a bite on it because the vice grips are big and they're hitting the frame of the truck. See it turning? So I'm going to keep turning it until I take it off, get it finger tight. It's almost there anyway. Turn, turn, turn. Hopefully I don't lose any oil because I just changed everything. Let me see if I can get it out with hand now. Turn it by hand. Look at that. So oil was coming through it, guys, to getting on the plug. And it may even give me a false reading, but also the oil pump may be bad on this truck. It does have 275,000 miles on it. So let's look at this, guys. That's the engine side. There's the plug side. You see the problem? Full of oil. It's no good. So we're going to swap it out right now. All you need is a pair of vice grips to do this, guys. You don't need any sockets or anything. This is a factory plug, guys, or a sensor. And I actually bought a sensor testing kit, or an oil testing kit, oil pressure. So there's the old one with oil on the plug side, and then show you a new one. There's a new one, guys. See that? New. New. Now you should have some sealant for that. I'm just gonna throw it in and tighten it down. That's all I'm doing. I ain't putting nothing on it. Ugh. If it leaks, then I'll do something about it, but I don't think it's gonna leak. So let's show you putting it in. Here's the hole. There it is. There's the hole, guys. Some old thread sealant still in there, but you thread it enough, it ain't gonna leak, guys. I already know. It's hard to get it started from under the truck at this angle. Huh. I'm gonna pause this for a minute.